Hi there and welcome back. This is just really a catch-up video, just a quick what's happening and all the rest of it. First, I'd like to say thank you so much for all your support since I've been back. It's been lovely to hear all your kind comments, and it's lovely to be back, so thank you very much. I do feel like my mojo has returned. I've been busy working on, well, they've now turned into 2 journals. It started off, let's just make some ephemera, and yeah, we now have 2 journals. So I've filmed a few, so you shall be seeing those. I'm not sure what I'm going to do next. I don't know if to finish the folio that I've nearly finished, the Tina one from Shabby Dabby Doodah using the Time Traveller. I think I will actually, because I've only got 1 or 2 to film, and then I think I'll get back to doing the Tim Holtz. So these books in front of me are in a prize draw for the Patreon giveaway. So whoever wins can choose one of these books. We're going to do it for the next couple of months. I can add to it because I've got a few more things that I can add to it, but for November it's to choose from one of these. So you've still got a couple of weeks to join. It's any tier. Everybody's automatically entered if you are in there in November. So we've got a country diary, address book and birthday book. We've got a Flower Fairies gardener's yearbook. We've got a Flower Fairies through the seasons, nature diary of an artist, and floral ABC book. So some absolutely fabulous books there. So that's that. All the links will be in the description. I'm sure most of you have already downloaded the kit, the Winter Botanical Kit, that's part of the Facebook challenge for November and December. It's just a craft along. It's just see what you can make. You don't have to use the kit if you don't want, but yeah, if you want to share your photos. So there's a free part which is available on my Buy Me a Coffee site. There's another part which is for tier 2 and over on my Patreon, and the full kit is available on Nanine's Etsy collage type. The pieces that are on my Patreon and Buy Me a Coffee are like exclusive parts of it. So that is that. I've had some goodies sent. Now, I only know who one of them is from, and I don't know who the others are from. So thank you so much, whoever has sent them. So somebody has sent me some of the Tim Holtz fabric tape. How exciting. And I want to do one of those tab book things, and I think this will be perfect. Gosh, that feels so sticky. There's loads on there. So I'm going to pop that in with my Tim Holtz things, and we can use that when I get back to doing Tim Holtz. And obviously that's going to go in my you know, for trashing it. I'll have to get back to that as well, because I know I've got some stuff piling up. So thank you so much, whoever's sent me this. I'm really dead excited. I'm going to say I've wanted some for ages, and it'll be quite different using it, you know, it being fabric. So thank you very much. This came this morning. Again, I don't know who's sent it. There was no note. It's come through Amazon, same as the tape, but there was no gift note. So I've been wanting this for absolutely ages. Oh, it's brilliant. absolutely brilliant. These are going to look so good. So I like this splash, splashy, splashy. And there's just a little bit of text here. And then mushrooms. So yeah, thank you so much. I can't wait to use this. As soon as I get the opportunity, I will be definitely stamping toadstools. So this is the Tiny Toadstools CMS 377. So yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate it because I wanted it for absolutely ages. So that is that. And then somebody sent me some cake, gluten-free cake, and I absolutely love all kinds of fruit cake. It's my very, very favouriteest. And again, this was sent through Amazon, but no. So I don't know who sent it me. So I'm actually, when I finish filming, I'm going to go down because it's been in my room for about 2 weeks. And I've been thinking, I want to open that cake, but I thought I'd best show it before I open it. So I'm going to have a cup of tea and a slice of cake when I go downstairs. So that is that. So thank you so much. And then I have got these. Oh, these are absolutely beautiful. So there's 2 books, the Lost Worlds and the Lost Spells. They're absolutely stunning books. I don't have the books. I have looked at them several times, but they've always been full price. And then they brought out this postcard collection. Again, it's, you know, the same kind of box as the William Morris and the Flower Fairies, which the boxes within themselves are fabulous. So let's have a quick look. This artwork is absolutely stunning. Oh, there's lots of birds. And there's lots of goldfinches, which are my favourite birds. That's beautiful. Those thrushes. That's nice. Look at that. Love that. Toad hiding. Oh, winter bunny. Look at that. Beautiful artwork. Blackbird. Lovely owl. Not sure what bird that is. Oh, it's a skylark. It's starling. Another winter bunny. I really like these, like the plates. The owl. Fox. Woodpecker. Oh, there's the goldfinches. Look at this one. Beautiful. So yeah, really up my street. I'm going to say I might have to treat myself to the books. Not to cut up, to actually own them. Because they are fabulous. Look at this hair. Another goldfinch. Kingfisher, that's beautiful. Colours in that's amazing. Fox, that's nice. But yeah, I really love the the colours that he uses. That's beautiful. Owl and the fox. Goldfinches and hair. More goldfinches. Oh, look at that. Not to be trusted. That's pretty. Some of these would make beautiful birthday cards. I mean, I could make them into birthday cards. Oh, getting on, mate. Oh dear. Oh, I'm trying to think what's gone off there. It's pretty. So I don't know if he's got oh no, this is from both of the books. I was going to say I didn't know if he got a separate one for the other book, but no, this is a collection of both of the books. I've not actually seen the Lost Spells, but yeah, I've looked through the Lost Worlds one a few times. Oh dear. Absolutely stunning, aren't they? So thank you so much. Yeah, it should bring me great joy looking at those. Again, really good card that they made on. So that is those. And then the last thing that did have a little note in it, and it's from the lovely Helena. Hold on a minute. She does make me laugh. So she said she saw this and thought of me, and she sent me some gluten-free porridge. So thank you so much, because when I was poorly I was eating an awful lot of porridge, and I am ready for some new porridge. So thank you so much, Helen, for thinking of me, probably as you're walking around Tesco's. That's very, very kind of you. So again, thank you everybody who sent me gifts. If you want to own up to any of them, if not, then that's totally fine. Thank you. And yeah, thank you to everybody for all your support and your kind words, and for sticking with me through, you know, the ups and the downs, and, you know, life. So I really do appreciate it. I think that's all I've got to say. Said about the Patreon giveaway, said about the Facebook and the free kits. Yeah, I think that's it. I've got no massive plans of, you know, I'm going to make this, that and the other. I'm just, you know, taking each day as it comes. And that's that. So I shall see you later. Bye for now.